I'm at a Lutheran church somewhere not far from Ebro on Route 2. And I guess I got a thing for churches today, so I saw this cross and the bell. I stepped over here to do a little filming, and I guess one of the members of the congregation, which I don't know if you can see those gravestones, cemetery, must have turned up my radio really loud because it wasn't even on. Oh well. Anyway, I just want to remind people that the message of love your neighbor as yourself is an ancient message. It's a society building message. And the antithesis of that message is be a greedy bastard, self-serving idiot, and watch your country fall apart. The theme of my campaign, one of the major themes of this campaign, is to make elitists, oligarchs, plutocrats, kleptocrats, anybody who's got money and is gaining money through criminal means to get richer because they have a mental problem, some kind of a numeric fixation. The major theme is to make you guys look like imbeciles, okay? Our society is falling apart because you guys are not spending time doing anything but staring at your damn bank accounts. Societies before you have built incredible buildings, incredible organizations. This generation of wealthy people are imbeciles, okay? I'm not saying everybody with money is an imbecile. And I know there's a lot of good people who do good things with their money, and thank God for them. But I'm talking about those criminal oligarchs who take over people's land and kill them so they can get the minerals beneath the land. We have that kleptocracy behavior going on in our country now, and it is anti-American, it's anti-Christian, it's anti-human society. So, you know, I'm not catering to Christianity, I'm catering to society. And I'm going to blast anti-society. And anti-society is killing people or refusing your duty as a leader to support humanity and society. Okay, I've got 3 corporations started, and I'm going to build society. I kid around with the tarot readers and astrologers that we're going to project develop the Aquarian age, but I'm really not kidding. I'm not kidding. We really have to have more than doctrine and words. We have to get our hands busy and build. Moses built a temple, and everybody contributed. They got some embroidered clothes. They got a nice place to hang out. And the nation of Israel built an identity. Israelites in anagram is reality. Realities. Our human state of being is such that we're given knowledge to access resources. And when Cain killed Abel, God said, "Where's your brother?" And Cain gave the wrong answer. "Am I my brother's keeper?" And Jesus said, "Yeah." He didn't tell him, come out and say, you're your brother's keeper. He said, love your neighbor as yourself. So We're project developing the Aquarian age, shoulder to shoulder. I don't care what gender, race, color, what socio-economic class you belong to. We're all going to start becoming prosperous under my watch. So, if you think I'm bullshitting you, all you got to do is take a look at what I wrote and what I've been working on since 1997. And I put it down on a website for the whole world to see what I've been given to share. Regenerationmodel.com. Get some aspirin, read it 3 or 4 times, and pass the word. The kingdom of God is at hand. It's in your hands. It's in my hands.